Good morning. I guess when you're watching this, it's nighttime, so good evening. I am about to film my Spirit. I'm working with Spirit Halloween, and I've got Greta. I feel like I work with Spirit almost every year, and this year I picked Greta. Like, they gave me a list to choose from and I picked the hardest one. Great. I've got all my makeup here. I sent this glitter palette. It's kind of cute. I like this one right here. It's like green and white. I just have to clean this. Be right back. What color should I have my background? Not blue. Should it be green or red? It's kind of like orangey. I'm gonna film this look really quick. I have to use this camera, so I will show you a little preview when it's done. I'm gonna come back full green face. Jump scare warning. We're staying zoomed in because I'm not sure if I'm allowed to share the look. Oh, my ears just hit the wall. I need Jace to come take a picture for me. Oh, where's he going? I need you to take a picture of me really quick. This look. I love it because it's like a trashy Greta look. Not this red lighting. Okay, I have to go wash my hair. My hair right now, it's time to wash. Wow, I look so good. Let me get in the shower and get all of this off me. All the boys are outside. This is what I'm working with currently. My hair is air drying and looks so fluffy. I look like Rue. I still got so much work to do. It's another one of them days, let me tell you what. I've been working pretty much non-stop. I filmed that Halloween look. I did edit the pictures. The pictures look better thanks to my edits. I don't know when I'm posting this online, but I have to film another Halloween look for, it's like a simple Halloween look, like a very easy to recreate Halloween look. I'm gonna do that tomorrow though. Today's list, I have a lot of computer work to do. I know, not very exciting. I want to go for like a walk or something because I just feel like I've been sitting for a long time this past couple weeks and I need to like get out and move. After that I need to pack up some of the PR for Arlo Mars and finish like editing the videos for all of that. So that's what I'm going to be working on for a little bit. What are you doing?
Don't look upon me with shame.
And also, why do you always put your dirty towel in my clothes?
I don't know.
Well, don't leave it there.
I'm cleaning it up right now. I'm going through
Look
all
at this.
and figuring out what's going on.
Anyone else's husband or boyfriend just demolish a closet and leave it for months? What's this pile? Dirty? Nothing to say?
I got a lot of work to do.
And how does it get to this point?
Working too much.
I don't know if I'd agree with that. Nixie boy, you licking your butt? It's 1 o'clock. What's wrong?
I'm tired.
Who's on my butt? Who's on my butt?
That would be really feeding.
Oh, you on my butt? Come here.
Oh, I need like...
Oh my goodness, Rue.
You said the coffee. I didn't realize you were filming.
I said it's 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, if I had a beer right now, I would fall asleep.
Oh, you gotta get pumped up. 1 o'clock. All my shows are coming back on. The Cleaning Lady, Good Doctor. I'm ready to party right now. Jace is supposed to be making breakfast for dinner. Yeah, you said you were gonna make it by 5:30 and it's, ooh, or what about just like a hash scramble with spinach and onion.
Potato.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness, look at him. Him's precious. Him's precious. I'm working with Revolve again. And they gave me like a link to choose from, but I can't decide what to get. I've been working on that for longer than I want to admit. Nice little break though from all the other stuff I've been working on all day. Good talk, Bean.
Yeah, you're talking.
Who else would I be talking to?
The video?
Oh, well, I'm doing that too.
You need to wake up.
Wake your ass up. All right, back to work. All right, what do we got?
Frittata.
But what's in it?
It's Parmesan, potatoes, spinach.
And what hot sauce is this?
That's sriracha.
I'm having flashbacks of those sriracha chips I ate and thought I was gonna have to go to the hospital. No.
Put a little bit.
Not that it's too spicy, just those chips were so hot I thought I did the one chip challenge.
How is it?
I'm just kidding, it's good.
It's good.
I like to scare you like that. Breakfast for dinner is the best. I think I want Crystal.
Yeah.
I can get it.
So this will reheat pretty well, and there's lots of leftovers for you.
There is? For brekkie tomorrow? This is the best hot sauce to ever be created. Known to man. Would you agree?
Yeah.
You want some?
I'm okay.
So this has egg, potato, spinach, sausage, Parmesan cheese. Yum.
And some herbs and stuff.
Jace is here. I'm not eating by myself.
I'm over here. Hello.
Why are you still wearing that hat inside?
Just I don't even look at my hair in the mirror. It's so messy right now.
My plate is cleared. One thing about me though is I need a sweet after I eat dinner. No exceptions. So, what are we gonna get, Bean? Hello. I just posted the... Did it come?
No. The song I recorded played on the radio tonight.
Really? For what?
For that, the Halloween song.
Oh, cool. I thought you meant one that was yours. She's been posted, which means now we actually have to launch on Thursday, which is scary. I have tonight and tomorrow to make sure everything is up according to plan. Do you want to get up early with me and do 10,000 steps before you go to work?
Do I want to do 10,000 steps before work? I don't think so.
No? I forgot to take my supplements again today.
I noticed that someone, I don't know who it is, I think it's whenever you're in the bottom of the car, you stash condiments everywhere.
Yeah, you never know when you're gonna need ketchup.
Well, that after 4 months they had baked in the 120-degree car.
You might want a warm ketchup. Jace is taking me to get a sweet treat. Isn't that right?
That's right.
What are you gonna get?
You get a drink.
Did you bring the card?
Sip club. Yeah, I did.
Okay. You're gonna get a caffeine drink?
Maybe like half
You're
of one
wild.
so I could finish what I'm working on.
7 p.m. and it's already dark. Did you know we have daylight saving time again this year?
We have it every year.
Yeah, but it's going away.
It's going away.
Yeah, they voted on it. It's gonna go away after next year.
Huh. Well,
But we still have to do it this year,
When does that start?
November. But it's already light early.
I have to worry about it for a little while.
Remember when I had my feet up here one time and you said you got the hogs out?
I thought that's what the expression, what is it now?
It's dogs. You got the dogs out.
I don't know, I just thought it was
Jace
hog.
called me a hog.
I'm not call you a hog, I just said the expression.
That's what you said. You said, got the hog out.
I don't know where that came from, I don't know why I thought of that.
Panera did not have my lemon cookie. So Jace went to Sprouts and got me a salted caramel chocolate chunk cookie. And he already ate a frosted cookie at Panera and went to double down for a second sweet.
I only had a couple bites of that cookie.
You ate the whole thing.
Did I?
Yeah. What are you talking about?
I thought I ate.
Oh wait, there's a little bit in here.
Yeah, see, I don't think
You ate most of it. This cookie is so let me see.